ever wake up stiff and achy or feel like your body just doesn't move as freely as it used to? Welcome to aging. But this is what this playlist is all about. We're going to change things. Fascia, basically your body's connective tissue, can get tight and dense as we age or recover from injuries. When it loosens, joints move better, posture improves, and pain eases. That's why these practices use flowing, three-dimensional movements based on somatics to release tension and restore natural mobility. These classes are the perfect complement to workouts that build strength but can leave muscles feeling tight. Strength without mobility creates imbalance, but when you add flow and flexibility, you restore freedom, balance, and resilience to your body. This playlist reflects the Vista method, built on vitality, independence, safety, tribe, and awareness, helping you stay mobile, open, joyful in the way you move through your life. So join me and let's replace stiffness with ease and discover more flow, more freedom, and more joy in your everyday movement.